Hey guys, it's Daniel. A couple days ago, I made a video for you about a campaign that I set up using GetResponse and solo ads at udemy.com. And I'm going to show you my results and show you. So here we go. I'm logging into my Gmail account. I have it to where my I get emailed for any subscriptions that I get to that campaign. So we're here on our Gmail account, on my Gmail account. Okay, so here we go. I got 2 subscription notices and 4 subscription notices for the past couple of days, as you can see, July the 3rd and July the 4th. So that's pretty good. That's 7. Let's go into my GetResponse account. And show you the results for that landing page. Okay, so here's a landing page, and that's from all time. Let's 7 contacts. Let's go this week. Okay, so 300 this week and 7 contacts. Oops. That's not what I wanted. So yesterday 4, and today 0. So there you go. Those are my results. And I'm going to go log into my Clickbank account to show you if I have any sales. Well, that's a lot of traffic lights. So here we go. Oh, for the current week. Oh, interesting. That's pretty cool. Huh. Made a sale. Huh. There you go. This is my results. So click the link below and get started. And I will be looking forward to making more videos for you of my results. So leave a comment below. Give a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you like the video. Any questions? Any questions? Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks. I'm excited.